What are we doing? Boilovers? Sick. Sick.
Got the fucking squad.
So where's it at on this one?
Right there inside. These are Japanese boilers. Like with three.
Yeah, like Compton.
Check it out on the right side.
Alright, so we're throwing these coilovers on this. These are from the show we just picked up in SD. And yeah. Because this one's not going to be driving for a while, so yeah. Hey man, he has a bit. What, man? Hey, did you ever find the grinder? What do you think, Jen? Are you sitting down? She sent a text to me. Yeah, these fucking monster truck tires. Yeah. Look at these tires on here. The guy used to take it to monster truck shows and stuff. Alright. Look at his wrench too. We're freaking tire iron. It's all bent. This side's good. Be careful, dude. Don't slip your knuckle. What kind of Lawrence springs are they, man?
I don't know.
I like them.
I don't.
I like them.
Oh, look at the camera plates. You got a little fucked up. Just a little. Done.
Yeah. Alright, throw the wheel back on.
Might as well. What's up, man? It's on these bad boys.
Let me see.
No.
Nope.
Did you check system already or no?
Here, John. Excuse me?
Hey, how's it going?
So you're gonna tighten that one all the way or what?
How is it? This has to go up, huh?
Yeah, that has to go up. You're gonna lower it.
Super mega dumping low bring springs.
Yeah, this is about to be time.
Oh shit. Yeah. Me too, I'm gonna cut my springs. I have coilovers, I mean, what are you talking about?
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm adjusting them?
No, you ruined it. We had it perfect on that one.
It was like this. I want to give it like 2 twists.
No.
Oh, this one?
How many
Did I just
threads
do
you
that?
trying to run? Oh? Max? No
Max.
way. Oh my gosh.
No, probably like right here. Manny, do we go up or down?
Huh?
Up or down?
Go up to lower. But we gotta count the threads first.
I think that's cool.
Let me see. God damn.
Let's see how it sits. Damn, you just look fresh.
Here, there's
Living
loosen that because it's not gonna fit on the
No
knuckle.
place to be.
Flies, huh?
Manny, just fucking do it from right here already. Fuck it.
Max it?
Fuck it. To live and die in LA. Hey, show people the LA around here. Show people LA.
Oh yeah, to live and die in LA.
To live and die in LA. $13, $12. Fuck, you good. $30.
You don't have vegetable oil?
Fuck. Yeah, I think I do.
Yeah, I know for a fact you do.
11,
Racist.
10.
If there's some oil on it, it'll work.
No, it's okay.
Alright, watching your fuck, you can adjust in the car.
I just fucking spray a PB bus right now.
Alright, just leave it loose. Leave it loose. How many are you running? 10? 10 threads?
10 motherfucking threads.
Yeah.
Damn.
Damn. Alright, people. We got another S13 too. The Vert. The Vert. And it's 6-speed. Just kidding. It's auto. Just kidding. Alright, this is his car. Look up. Say what's up. Introduce yourself.
What's up? I already have.
Alright, okay, that's Oscar. Didn't know. Yeah, twin cam. Pretty stock. It's actually really nice. Really nice. Alright, people, we're in.
So
we're in
tied in?
deep.
No,
No.
not yet.
No?
Got this piece.
Not yet. Oh, no weirdness. I'm about to put on my basketball shorts.
He's alright, sir.
Huh?
He's alright, sir.
Josh is alright there.
Yeah. The other Josh.
Yeah, that's right. When you posting your fucking exhausted asshole video?
Yeah. Look at it.
That shit looks legit.
Oh, it's only one.
Yeah, 15 only one. That's your size.
Where's the key should be right there.
15 stuck in my dick now.
It's like the next one is pretty tight. I think it's Don't Trust You.
Hit me again.
Damn, Manny. That shit looks bad already.
Oh yeah. Rolling.
You have to roll your fenders?
Huh?
You gonna roll the fenders?
I gotta take these little things off. Yeah, they were all kind of loose. Well, your butthole?
And they were sprayed with fucking PV plastic. Who found the car?
Well, I did, but I didn't really pay attention to it. I just told them like, hey, look at this hatch. What?
That part is bent.
Oh, fuck. Damn, this paint chip's easy as fuck.
Hell yeah.
Cheap ass paint. Looking monster truck and shit in the back. Oh, go slow, go slow.
Move back. Alright, here it goes.
Dan's going with the music.
Nah, it could go lower.
Nah, you're good, dude.
Yeah,
That
you
shit
could
looks
go lower.
good.
It could go lower.
I think
Fuck
that's
yeah,
good
you-
right there.
You think it's good right there?
I think you can go
hell
lower. Huh? On the other one.
Josh, don't jack it up.
Which ones?
Josh, don't jack it up.
I'm not.
Hammered lamer. The hammer down. That's not the hammer.
Ah, close enough.
Got it.
Thanks, Josh.
Thanks, Josh.
Fucking idiot.
Hey, bring me the 217, please.
The what?
217.
Josh, do you have them over there? Where? Over there.
Right here, you fucking blind ass.
Oh, well, you told me over there. What? If you hit my foot with a hammer.
I
Nah.
got you a new light.
Taking a break from putting the coilovers on, and we're getting something to drink. You're right. We got the front ones on. It looks pretty good. Pretty good. We're doing the back ones right now.
Let me get a better grip on it. Like, no homo living in front of me.
See, it was easy taking off this car because this one's gutted. But this car, there's all the carpet in it and stuff, so it's kind of hard to get to the bolts. We still got it though. I'll show you when it's done. We got the coilovers on, and now we're stranded in the middle of the night because we forgot to tighten some bolts.
Shit sucks.
Yep. We're getting it though, so it's all good. And we're going to my friend's house to help him with his car. I don't know what we're doing yet.